Hey there, Shalini Mittal here from Tech Gatha, and in this video we are going to look at the various built-in methods available to manipulate a dictionary. So let's create a new Python file with the name as dictmethods.py. Now we know that we can create a dictionary. So say for example I say employee1 is equals to, the employee has an ID, say 1. The employee has a name, so say for example John. The employee has a phone number, and maybe I'll just pass in some value, right? Now we have this dictionary. It's simple with ID, name and phone. Now the various methods available with dictionaries are, I can say print employee1 dot. So you have the get function, keys, values, pop, update, clear, fromKeys, items, pop item, yes, and copy. So let's explore the methods one by one. So if I say get, I can provide the name of the key, and I say name. So I will be able to get the name of the employees. I can say let keys equal to employee1 dot keys. I can say values equal to employee1 dot values. I can use these functions then. So if I say I print keys, and if I say print values, and now if I run, you would see the first one. Okay, let me do this. So you would see the first one basically prints get name, that is John. Second one creates a list of all the keys. Third one creates a list of all the values, and then once it returns a list, you can iterate over the list to print the keys and the values. We can also do this. I can say print employee1 dot items. So if you would see, when I print employee1 dot items, it prints the dictionary of the items of tuples. You can see it's ID comma 1, it's one tuple for one key value pair, so on and so forth. And I can just iterate. So I can say for K and V in the employee1 dot items, I can say print K comma V. Okay, so I got the ID 1, name John, phone, and so on and so forth. Next is we can update. So say for example I create employee2 equal to, and I add the email, and I say john@test.com, and suppose I say name as, or maybe say I need to update the phone, and I add something like this. Okay, now if I say employee1 dot update employee2, so if you see the update function, it basically returns null. So employee1 update employee2, and if I print employee1, and if I print employee2, and let me clear this. So if I run, see, so we have the employee ID, name, phone, and employee1 has the email and the phone number updated, but employee2 remains unchanged. So update function will update the first employee. So basically it's going to do merging. So it takes employee1, it takes employee2. If any attribute is there which is already present, it updates, and if it is not present, it adds up. So basically it is going to merge employee2 data in employee1. You can even say employee2, say for example dot clear, and now if I print employee2, you can see it's an empty dictionary. So clear function will basically clear the employees. You can even create a dictionary from, say, I have a function dot from keys. So we can create a new dictionaries with keys from iterable and values set to value. So from keys, it takes the iterable and the value. So I can say, for example, A, B, C, D, E, and I want to initialize them with 1, and suppose I just say data equal to, and if I print data, so you would see A1, B1, C1, D1, E1. So if you want to fill in a dictionary with the keys and the values with the same values, you can use the fromKeys function. So keys it's take from the iterable and values from the second parameter. So that's all with respect to the Python methods that's available. In the next video, we will see few programs using dictionaries. Till then, happy learning, take care, and bye-bye.